Hi,
Hello.
that hi, Darji.
Hi, how are you, my friend? What's up?
Yeah, I'm good. And what
Yes,
about you?
everything, everything is okay. I'm full of energy. Thank you for asking.
Okay. Yeah. Could you introduce yourself?
Absolutely, yes. My full name is Sedire Gazi. I'm from Iran. I'm housewife, and I have just one child. I have been studying English for 3 years. I'm passionate about learning English more and more.
Wow, great. Yeah. Okay. Do you want to my intro?
Okay, yes, can you introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is Kashnath. Yeah, I'm from India. In India, I live in Pedapur, Gadipedapur. My village name is Gadipedapur. Basically, I'm village person. Yeah, but nowadays I'm staying in city because of job purpose. Do you know? Yeah, every people they need one job. Yeah, if you want to do job in village, it is not possible because village job source is not available. That's why I'm staying in city.
Yes, I can understand what you say. You mean the government cares about the cities more than the village, and you can find a lot of good facilities such as good school, good university, park, mall, and public transport in the city rather than in the village. But I think the government must care about a village if the people prefer to stay at a village and it's necessary for them to use good facilities. Yes, I agree with you. And most of people prefer to be a farmer and work in the field because they make vegetables and fruits and it's so beneficial and it's so necessary for other people in the world. But the government must care about the farmer more and more.
Yeah, you're right. But government is also not giving enough rate for farmers because they're giving less rates. That's why
Yes.
nowadays, yeah, so many farmers they are coming cities and they are doing some labor works in cities.
Yeah, for example, your father is a farmer and he works at the farm, but as a his his boys, they like to change their life and they want to choose new job and that's why the boys prefer to move to city to find a good job. um, it's different situation between father's life and boy's life. Am I right?
Yeah, you are right. You are absolutely right.
Okay, another question is, do you believe that it's necessary for children to learn foreign language, second language, in primary school or secondary school? What is your idea?
Yeah, as for my idea, foreign language is very important because it is a international language. Nowadays, you can go any country. We are using just English language only. That's why it is better to start from primary schools. Yeah, in India we already started. I don't know about other states, but we have 29 states. But in my state we already started from first class to we started learning English. That's why in my state maybe so many people they are better good in English because our government started English learning from first class to hold our graduation, like that. Yeah, when we are doing graduation, that time every subject in English. Okay,
Mhm.
but
Yes, I get it.
first but when students starting our career studying, that time English is second language, like we are using. We already started learning English.
Yes. Okay, if you want to my idea, I must say that other people believe that it's so good for children to learn second language in the primary school because they can learn very well because they are as a teenager and we don't have any stress and pressure and they can put in their mind very well and they can learn new vocabulary, they can learn grammar if they choose a good teacher. But on the other hand, some people believe that the grammar is so hard for the children to learn. And because, for example, how can to learn as a grammar such as present perfect or other grammars about a future or passive voice. It's necessary for adult because the age is good to learn hard vocabulary or hard grammar. It's different option for people, but I believe that the children can learn better because they have a lot of time and they can focus on their study. But there are several ways to learn English. They can join on Zoom meeting. They can join a different group on WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, and not only they can choose a good teacher, but also they can use social media to learn English, and they can help their accent fluency better. And also they can communicate with other people in different countries. I think it's the best way. Not only you can choose a new friends for yourself, but also I can practice more and more. Am I right?
Yeah, you are
What
absolutely.
is your
Yeah, you are absolutely right. Your idea is very good. Yeah, it is fact. What you said, that is 100% fact. Yeah, that's why in India we already started learning English from first class. But yeah, you're right. But in my country, students, yeah, for my opinion, when we are starting learning English from first class, that time we are learning English. Just we are focusing on 1 year only. Just you started your English learning journey 4 months back, I think. I'm right. 4 or 5 months back, you said. Yeah, but I started my journey three and a half months ago. Yeah, in 3 months, 3.5 months, we are talking each other. Like at least we are not talking fluency. We are not talking with fluency, but we are talking each other. We are understanding each other thoughts. Then, if we are providing English study from first class to end, then students they can learn perfect. I think
yes, yes, I agree
within
with you.
6 months, within 3 to 4 months, we are talking each other and we are understanding each other thoughts. You are from different country.
Yes,
I'm from different country. We are sharing our thoughts.
yes.
Yeah.
Because English is international language, and we can talk each other. We can talk about different topic very well. But in my country, um, English is a subject, and it teaches at the school or university. But unfortunately, when people go out, they don't prefer to talk to each other at the mall, at the park. I don't know why, but I think it's better to talk when you are free and you have time. You can discuss with your friends in different places. It can be useful in your knowledge, and because, as you know, vocabulary can go out your mind if you don't repeat every day. You can forget easily.
Yeah, yeah, of course you are right. You are right. Because do you know, 1 month ago, I am not like this. I am full perfect. Like I can manage every person. Like I can manage. I can manage native speaker. Any speaker I can manage. I can give answer within seconds. But nowadays I am going stuck because lack of practice. Because I'm focusing on my work. That's why sometimes I'm neglecting my English learning process. English practice is also you are easily catching my mistakes because nowadays not doing any practice. That's why I'm doing mistakes and I'm not talking perfect. I think I'm right.
But the only thing is so important is that you never give up. If you make a mistake, don't worry because all of us are learner, and it's necessary for us to practice more and more without any pressure, without any stress. It can be good point. But when you made a mistake, you can search on Google, you can search from different teachers, and you can help you this way improve your knowledge. It's my opinion.
Yeah, yeah, you're right. You're right. Yeah, nowadays I'm depending on Google. That's why a little I'm improved more because
Yeah.
if I get any doubt behind me, be in front of me, no teacher is available. What can I do? I'm just simply selecting on that text and going. I'm using Google Translate and checking what is that exactly meaning like that. That's why,
Yes.
yeah, I'm learning so many meanings. That's why sometimes I can speak English little bit.
Wow, very good. Okay,
Bec-
thank you, my friend. My time is finished. I'm glad to talk with you. I enjoyed talking with you.
Okay, thank you so much for your valuable time for me and for me and my viewers. I'm very glad you are why because you are participating in my YouTube channel, and maybe I'm expecting more subscribers with your
It's my
conversation
pleasure.
because you are my good friend and as well as your English is very good for me.
Thank you. You're welcome. I hope you'll be successful in your life.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much.